From Shri Mohan Nagar hope brightly grew, serving Madhya Pradesh forever true. Dry lands awaited caring hands, love revived forgotten golden lands.
Save each raindrop, hearts unite, guarding nature shining bright. Flowing rivers sing once more, hope shall bloom forevermore.
Known as waterman, hearts inspired, lighting dreams with endless fire. Villagers joined every hand, healing every thirsty land. Ancient ponds regained their grace, smiles returned to every place. Harvested rains filled every stream, lit every hopeful gleam. Shri Mohan Nagar inspires every soul, building dreams that make us whole. Madhya Pradesh proudly sings today, hope forever lights the way. Water sheds restored the plain, fields rejoiced through welcome rain. Groundwater slowly rose again, blessing every grateful grain. Raise together every voice, making greener hearts rejoice. Nature's blessings freely flow, future gardens proudly grow. Forests flourish, birds returned, hope through patient effort turned. Trees embrace the warming skies, greener dreams began to rise. Shri Mohan Nagar showed the way, serving people every day. Madhya Pradesh remembers still, changing lives through iron will. Youth embrace the debt-free streams, building brighter village dreams. Simple wisdom guided all, helping every raindrop fall. Farmers smile through fertile ground, nature's blessings all around. Shared commitment won the day, leading everyone the way. Bharat honors noble hearts, every journey brightly starts. Shri Mohan Nagar leads with dreams, hope forever finds its place. Padma Shri crown noble name, honoring lifelong selfless fame. India praise devoted hearts, celebrating nature's rise. Bharat proudly sings your name, history remembers lasting fame. Shri Mohan Nagar stands so tall, nature echoes grateful praise, lighting countless future days. Shri Mohan Nagar leads the way, hope shall flourish every day.